Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remote start Kia Telluride, updated. Press lock twice, then press and hold the remote start button for 3 seconds to start. Check the dash for confirmation lights and ensure climate settings engage as expected. If the vehicle does not start, wait 30 seconds and repeat the sequence, or consult the manual for key fob troubleshooting steps and battery checks. This section covers the key fob method in simple steps you can follow right now. Stand within remote range and confirm all doors and trunk are closed before starting. Press lock twice, then press and hold the remote start button until the vehicle responds with lights or horn chirp. If climate control should run, verify settings on the dash after start and adjust fan or temperature from inside when you enter the vehicle. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like to support the channel and help others find it. Quick recommendation. I use leak-proof meal prep containers that save time and keep errands efficient, perfect for busy people headed out in cold or hot weather. Check the description for that product link and other deals we mention. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Using the smartphone app gives you remote start and vehicle status at a distance. Open the official app, sign in, and pair the vehicle using the VIN and on-screen prompts. Once paired, tap Remote Start and wait for confirmation in the app before approaching the vehicle. The app also shows climate settings and battery alerts, making it easy to prepare the cabin before you get in without needing the key fob nearby.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.